Hi guys. Alright guys, today I'm going to show you the king of the traffic jam, Mazda. So today this Mazda CX-5 come to our shop, install this 12.3-inch Android player. So for this player here, it's very slim and it's 12.3-inch with 2K screen. So as you can see, it's very clear and very smooth. And you also can support split screen. So for this player, you can also use back your original system. Fully plug and play with no cutting on any original wiring. Alright, so the customer also installed 360 together with Mazda car model, front view, rear view, signal left right view, and the 360 camera also can do recording. Alright, and this player comes with equalizer sound system, so you can adjust here by yourself, or you can just use the preset fill, surround, bass filter. Alright guys, if interested, can find us. Here is our branch. So like, comment, share.